Hello, welcome to Vlogmas episode. Today is Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. Um, I hope that you're all doing well. Close up a coffee out of my winter is coming mug. We're big Game of Thrones fans in this house. All three adults. My husband came later to the game, but now that the Game of Thrones is over, I try to put it in wherever I see fit. And I'm looking at my computer right now. I was talking to Natalie. Natalie is my best friend who lives in Pittsburgh. We've been best friends since high school. And I told her, I said, the closer to Christmas that we are, the less that I feel that I want to knit. I guess it's the pandemic affecting me or affecting everybody. I don't work. I help my mother out and she helps me. And between her working downstairs solely now, we swap floors. So I'm in the dining room and Ellie is underneath the chair and the dogs are downstairs with her. But I'm working on my first toe-up sock by Andrea Mowry. It's the every weekend. It's an everyday sock. And the sock is 2x2 ribbed the whole foot. I don't want to do the whole foot. Ribbed. I think that would feel awkward under my feet because I have plantar fasciitis in my left foot, and I think I have it in my right foot now too. Which sucks when you wake up in the morning and your feet hurt as soon as you hit the floor. But it's only temporary and it goes away. But what else is going on? We got our Christmas tree. We put up our Christmas tree in a matter of 20 minutes because it came assembled. No, it didn't come assembled. It came in 3 parts, and we put the 3 parts together, and now we plugged in the Christmas tree. So it's fire stairs. I got all my gifts for my Christmas shopping now. Got my husband covered, I got my son covered, got my mom covered. And they think tomorrow I need to get out a little bit, so I think that I'm going to go down to the yarn store a little bit and hang out there while I am I'm really feeling cabin fever today. I don't know what else to vlog for you guys. So if you have any suggestions of what you want to see or what you want me to talk about, or I took you to the main areas that I gather in my house, my bedroom, the hallway upstairs, my yarn room, and the dining room. These are all common areas in the house where I frequent. And we got our couch. Shouldn't say our couch, but Mom paid for the couch. Got it last month, and we finally got our lamp. Our lamp came today. Our new lamp for the downstairs. So, not downstairs, but the living room area. So this lamp is on the side of her couch. And if you see the reflection in the mirror, in the picture, that's my side of the couch. And we have one of those lamps with the 3 legs. I don't like the lamps with the 3 legs personally, because if you bump it, it easily falls over. So I think that I'm gonna take charge of my day tomorrow and go down and knit with Peggy for a little bit. I just don't know. I don't know what I want to knit on if I go down there. And I haven't been to the yarn store in a while. The last time that I was there, I took my Caitlin Hunter sweater for Joan to block, and she said it might be a couple weeks, and I'm fine. I got done knitting it. Whenever they could block it, they could block it. I'm not on no time limit. So, other than that, I am knitting out of my Stitching the High Notes bag from Joanna. I was on her Stitch and Chat this morning. I do that every Wednesday morning. She also has one on Saturdays. But Saturdays, the man is usually here, and 10-year-olds don't go and do their thing, and if I'm on Zoom, he's in the background shooting guns and whatever he does, whatever he wants to do. But anyway, I hope that you have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.